So for special angles 30 and 60, so how do we solve them? So we'll solve them looking at the triangle as an equilateral triangle. So when we have an equilateral triangle such that we assumed here to be 2 and here is 2, so that means that here is going to be 2 because all sides are equal. But we were able to divide it vertically here from the vertex angle. So we were able to divide it into 2 halves so that here, part of here will be 1 and then here is going to be 1. So that is exactly what we are doing here. So remember that in equilateral triangle, all the angles are equally the same. So if here is 60, here is going to be 60. So here is going to be 60. So because I divided the vertex angles, so I have 30 and 30, which is what making 60. So how then do we got root 3 here? So how did we get the root 3? So we still use the same Pythagorean rule. So assuming we are assuming one side of the triangle, so the half side of the triangle. So assuming we are looking for this side. So what we do is that we are still going to do, let's say, b square now. B square is now equal to a square minus what? C square. Yes, because we are not looking for the hypotenuse side this time. We are looking for one of the adjacent sides. So that is why we are now using subtractions. Okay, so here I have b square is equal to 2 square minus what? Minus 1 square. So here I have b square is equal to 4 minus 1. So I have b square is equal to 3. So when I take the root of both sides, so I have here b equal to what? Root 3. So that was how I got root 3 here. And that is what we are going to be using in our special angles in 30 and 60. So let's now go to the ratios of these things. So sine 30 is going to be, sine 30 is, look at 30 here, opposite of a hypotenuse. You can see is 1 over 2. Then cos 30, what is 30 here? 30 is adjacent of a hypotenuse. So that means cos 30 is root 3 over 2. And then tan 30 is going to be what? So tan 30 is opposite over adjacent, and that gives us 1 over root 3. Okay, so that is the ratio here. Now let us go to sine 60. Sine 60. So what is sine 60? Sine 60 is, 60 here is opposite over hypotenuse. So we can see sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Then cos 60. Cos 60, what is going to be cos 60? Cos 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse, okay? Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2. And then tan 60 is going to be here opposite over adjacent, okay? Which is root 3 over 1, which is root 3. Okay, so these are the ratios that we need here.